Ka Office u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy ka Labuk Kerpang da ka help desk ha Office u Deputy Commissioner rengkat baka helpline number ka Kerpang Komshibenta ban Pynsuk iki Paidbah bat ban yo jing shai ka babanya halor ka rukom trekam jong ka Office u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy. Ya kini ka help desk la Plie u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy u Abhilash Baranwal rengkat ka jing donlang ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy ka Kong Bala Kinti Urani lembak ka jing sakhi kinong trei sorkar Labuk ru ka helpline lengba ka WhatsApp number Plie Plie Kendai Wei. Kaban sedang terekam naduk ke Shpau terik guluber arjar akusan hagis ngi balong trei naduk Shpau baje min step haduk san baje janmit. Kini ke help desk kan yarap Kerpang yaki Paidbah ki bakentup yaki jingkeli ki bede baki scheme ki program baki jing syakri baper jong ke district administration ka jing ai jing tip syapang ka jing don ki staff ni ki officer ha ka Office u Deputy Commissioner mat ki ki office ki be trelang ka jing pensyai halor ki jing tho lani ki jing ot ki bala IT ha ka Office u DC ka jing yarap halor ki rukom trekam ki kot ki sla badon kam bat ki jing don kam bakentup ha ki scheme bat ki jing syakri baper kajing pediang ye kajing ot bat kajing ajing mut ki Paidbah ha ka Office trekam udisi.
Jing pentep iki Paidbah barok Paidbah pokok jing lam jing DC jongi nila Plie kering helpless kebadan ukun number bila ai hang ni kang baki beri barok badan kam DC office kila ban buat din ki kam ki jam ki jongki kila ban phone hulu number ban kli lagi kam ki jongki ki branch bape pen kan tap ni ya ti kalong kaski ke bakong san bat kari ka jing persang ke barat ke jongi ban punduna lani ban kampus ki Paidbah bikin don kam banuan berpulut baik kali na jengai bikin yo ke jing tip lumbau ni number berkila ru ban bu ke message jong ke WhatsApp sedang bangila ban facilitate ni banera iki ban yo ya ka service Khubor babian.
In our office, Deputy Commissioner office, we have started this practice of help desk. 2 people are being dedicatedly appointed for the same. Anyone who comes to office and seeks any guidance regarding where is the revenue branch or for that matter establishment, anything, they can ask them. Secondly, they are being also provided a phone number. So if any person has any work with DC office and they require a follow-up, they can ask the concerned staff and over phone, and they can follow up so that the person so that the members of the public do not have to come to office again and again just for the same piece of work. They can get information over phone and WhatsApp. Simultaneously, after, let's say, after they have visited the office, if they have certain complaints or grievances with the office and they want to register the same, they can again approach the help desk and register their feedback and complaints and grievances. So basically, these 2 people will be equipped with every information that is there to be provided to public, and the idea is to facilitate public as much as possible so that their numerous trips to DC office can be minimized. Thank you.